the storm. The National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Decatur County until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Selden and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact: hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Dresden and Oberlin. This includes Highway 36 between mile markers 74 and 80. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Decatur County, Kansas.